So this build here, I'm going to be modeling after a Wildland Fire brush truck. I've kind of always had a fascination for those trucks. I always thought they were really cool. That and I'm a Ford guy, so this seemed like a natural fit as something I wanted to make for, this is actually going to be my son's truck. He's about 4 years old, so he's still got he loves fire trucks. So I think this is going to be a really cool project for him. So what I've started out here, I've got the Proline Ford F-250 body. I've got it kind of trimmed up, ready to go. I picked up the Proline utility bed. Got it bolted together right now. I've got a little more work to do to kind of get it set just right, but it's got the right look going. I've paired this with the GMade kind of steel wheels here, and I specifically picked these ones because they kind of look like a base model Ford F-250, F-350 style wheel. Despite being 6 lug, it should be 8 lug, but this is the closest I could find, and the price is right on them, so that's why I picked these. I paired them with the RC 4-wheel drive Goodyear Duratrac tires. These are about, oh gosh, let's see, let's grab the ruler here. These come in, about, this is a little blurry. It comes in about 3.5 inches tall, roughly. Maybe 3.75 tall, so they're a bit of a smaller tire compared to typical. But I think for this style, it's going to look really good. I'm going to bring the ride height down a little bit as well, so it's not quite so big wheel gap there. Now to go with that, I also picked up the My Trick RC light bar set. So this comes with a light bar to go on top. It's very bright, lots of different flash patterns. It also comes with the headlights, it comes with tail lights, all the different strobe lights to go with it. It plugs in, it gets the power from the receiver, but then you can also plug in one more engine of the receiver, and it'll be controlled by your remote. You can turn it on and off with the remote. So this is going to get all wired in. It's quite a spaghetti mess of wires right now, but that'll be really cool when it's done. This is the UF7 controller. It has a lot of different modes. You can use this for a lot of different applications, but it's nice that they have a fire truck package kind of ready to go for you. It also comes with some fire truck stickers to put on the doors. Underneath this truck is still just a basic SCX10 builder's kit. We had been running around a little bit. The speed control I had here decided to not work anymore, so I've got a new one on order. We've got a Savox servo in here. Outside of that, I'll run on the Spectrum DX4C that I have for here, which has got 4 channels, so that should be enough. So I'll have, because my son won't need too many things, but I want to make it just cool enough to keep him interested in it. So obviously throttle steering, it's got 2 auxiliary channels, so one will control the lights, and then another one will control a siren that I also have on order. It should come in sometime this week. So this is just kind of a quick intro of what this project is. I've had it for a little while, but kind of got remotivated on it to get it going again. So I will keep you guys updated as I go. Thanks.